How is AI taking care of digital frauds? According to McAfee's latest report, global losses from cybercrime now total over $1 trillion, a more than 50% increase from 2018, or more than just 1% of the global GDP. Fraud is becoming a more and more serious threat to banks and their consumers, costing billions of dollars each year. Why not the traditional fraud detection methods? The traditional approach to fraud detection is based on developing heuristics around fraud indicators. In certain scenarios, rules would be framed to define if the case needs to be sent for investigation. Rule-based fraud detection systems and methods can identify obvious fraudulent scenarios like unusual account numbers and transaction types, while technologies like AI and ML can find hidden data correlations. Additionally, ML allows the creation of an algorithm that processes large data set and does it faster, including lesser manual work. An ML-powered algorithm is being used for spam filtering and fraud prevention. Fraudsters constantly update their hacking parameters to conduct new fraudulent activities and to avoid any existing countermeasures. AI-powered algorithms adjust hand in hand with spammers' new hacking parameters to provide spam filtering while protecting the network from unwarranted exposure. AI further helps prevent fraud by categorizing the data and flagging the anomalies. So, what are the common types of banking fraud? Number 1. Identity theft. Scammers steal your personal or financial information to carry out unlawful transactions like applying for loans in your name. Second, card skimming. Card skimming is a form of prank fraud in which fraudsters utilize a tiny electronic tool called a skimmer to acquire card information. The ATM or the POS device typically has the skimmer installed. When a card is passed through a skimmer, the tool reads the magnetic strip on your card and records the important data. Fraudsters then use a blank card with this information copied on the magnetic strip to withdraw funds from a bank account. Phishing. Phishing can involve an email that appears to be from a well-known organization such as bank or a well-known website. This information is then used by scammers to withdraw your money or make any transactions. Please be aware that banks will never request private information like password for a transaction or login, an OTP, or something similar. Number 4. Credit card theft. Credit card theft can be done via the fraudulent activities mentioned above. By email phishing or identity theft, criminals can access your credit card details and use them for purchases without physically possessing your card. And finally, the mimicry of buyer behavior. Sometimes, criminals can try to mimic the behavior of a user to use their credentials for purchases without actually getting caught. This kind of fraudulent activity, although new, is becoming very common to take advantage of the loopholes in the security system of the banking institutions. So, what is the need for the AI or ML for payment fraud detection? AI can be used to analyze huge number of transactions in order to uncover fraud trends, which can subsequently be used to detect fraud in real time. When fraud is detected, AI models may be used to reject transactions altogether or flag them for further investigation, as well as grade the likelihood of fraud, allowing investigators to focus their efforts on the most promising instances. The AI model can also offer cause codes for the transaction being flagged. These reason codes direct the investigator as to where they should seek to find the faults and aid to speed up the investigation. Fighting against payment fraud by using AI and ML model is more efficient compared to the manual and automated rule-based fraud detection, with the reasons being effective information of the large data sets, automation in preventing frauds, reducing the false negatives, uncovering undetectable frauds in the complex system, and lowering the cost of fraud preventions.